Turning a business model into a franchise model takes from 5 to 8 months, depending upon the areas and location that they want to grow in.
So speak now, not so much for the person just starting out, but the person maybe has an established real estate company or a real estate brokerage or a car dealership business or a dental practice, right? A veterinarian practice. Like, what would be the first question to ask that you would want to know if it's worth franchises and taking to the next level here?
Well, people think that they have a business model and they want to grow their business model to a franchise model. Franchise model is another strategy of growing your business or your practice or your entity or your business entity alike, right? One of the clear need of expectation is that they need to have that this does not happen overnight, okay? Turning a business model into a franchise model takes from 5 to 8 months, depending upon the areas and location that they want to grow in, right? I can tell you this. We can start with one state, making a profitability and building that existing model within that state, creating territories, creating brand within those territories, 3 to 5 entities of units. That takes from 3 to 5 months to start establishing that methodology. The good thing about turning a business into a franchise model is that you don't have to spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars right off the bat. You dramatically increase your expenditure within that business model along the way. There are certain minimum requirements, amount of money that it costs to establish a particular franchise business into a model of a franchise business model. Why? Because we have to get registration, we have to get financial disclosure documents, we have to start entity investigating the numbers and getting the doing the analysis of your business entities and going from there forward. So all I got to tell you is in relation to that business creation is time and patience to turn your business that is a proven model into a profitable model so that other entities who jump along the way with your business can actually be equally as profitable as your business model is for you, but for other people too, right? Because if you're going to charge 2, 3, 4, 5% royalty every month for them, are you going to give the first year free royalty because you're proving their model? If your model is that proved that good of a benefit that is entity that is going to be beneficial for them, due to the existing pandemic, a lot of companies who had certain royalties entities gave so many royalties free for 3 or 4 or 5 months. This is why a lot of the franchisors were able to grow so fast because they were giving not one, not two, not three, but 6, 7 months free of royalty free so they can build that entity. When you start a new business, you don't want to get into many recurring charges of business entities or services that you need to integrate within your business because otherwise you are spending money out, and no money's coming in. The goal here is to make sure that you spend the necessary amount of money for the business that you're going to establish and not to incur certain charges or expenses along the way that are going to be bringing you any benefit or value to your business right off the beginning or the start. So the idea is to get money in before money starts going out. Yes, there's going to be an initial amount of money that you didn't spend to any business at the beginning, but the idea is to stay within that bracket that as your money start coming in, those expenses are going to start going down. Then now your expenses, your profitability over here is increasing higher than your actually expenses, which goes like this, right?
Got it.
You want to be at that level instead of going like this all the time.
Got it.